Going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in negative MACD territory, but we're seeing slight signs of it converge. We did bounce right off the 100 moving average, this orange line currently at the price of $25.20. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in pause MACD. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD. We did see it converge and it appears to be approaching to positive MACD. We're still above the 200 moving average, this green line, which will act as our temporary support at a price of $24.94. And if we were to test that level, that price movement to the downside is around 1.5%. And as for resistance, that'll be where you have the 50 moving average, this yellow line, which acted as resistance in the past as indicated back in March 18th. Is now at the price of $26.29. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is around 3.8%. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $22.71, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $23.69, and my stop loss is at $22.44. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.11, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $22.99, and my stop loss is at $24.40. So, whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. How did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 20% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, another 20% chance to climb between 3 to 6%, and to the downside, it has a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.